talk to me. It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it.
The first thing I like to do in the mornings is have my coffee. Today I am going to be drinking a cold brew that I pick up at Trader Joe's, which is absolutely delicious. I am going to be adding a little bit of pumpkin spice and my favorite coffee creamer. I love to drink iced coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just not into hot drinks for some reason.
You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like the air. I love when you go like that.
Okay, now let's go and check out what I got for fashion. The first thing are these gorgeous sandals by Melissa, and I really like them because here in Florida it's hot all throughout the year, so you really need shoes that are made for the weather, and Melissa's shoes in my opinion are so comfortable but at the same time so beautiful. I also picked up these purplish shoes. I used to have a pair of shoes just like these when I was little. And the reason why I like these so much is because not only are they comfortable, but at the same time they are very stylish, and you can wear them to the grocery store, you can wear them if you go to the park. I also wanted to share with you guys these gorgeous brushes. They were a gift, and these were purchased at Wish. I think that's the name of the site. Of course, I did a little bit of shopping at Zara, and I picked up these gorgeous sandals. Oh my god, these go with everything and they are just so stylish. This style is really in at the moment. I also picked up these gladiator shoes because I think they are just so stylish. Then I picked up this gorgeous top. Like I told you guys, it's always hot in Florida, so these are very nice. And to match, I got this set of denim shorts. How beautiful are they, guys? Because I love cropped items, especially in fashion, I got my hands on this set, which is so stylish and so beautiful, and I've worn it and it's just so comfortable. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge animal print lover, and this top, since I saw it, I had to get it, and I got it oversized because I think you can just wear it. Honestly, you could wear it as a cardigan, you can wear it obviously as a shirt, or and it's honestly just gonna look very stylish. And animal print right now, it is very, very in. And this is something that if it gets a little chilly here in Florida, it's gonna look very, very nice, which I hope it does, by the way. What I love most about it is that it has long sleeves and the fabric is very, very soft. But I'm gonna pair it with these trousers, white trousers that I picked up, and I think the black and the white just ties everything in beautifully. The last item I picked up were these black trousers. Black is one of my favorite colors. I think it is just a very stylish. Okay, so I wanted to come on here and do my makeup really quick. So the first thing I am going to do is that I'm going to apply my moisturizer by Laneige. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It looks a little bit like this. Now with my beauty blender, I'm going to use this foundation by Yves Saint Laurent. I'm going to put just a little bit on the back of my hand.
I look at you and know it's all right. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you...
Now for a glow, because it is very hot outside. I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, don't do this step. But I'm going to be using this Murad hydration, and I'm just going to spray my beauty blender with it, and I'm just gonna go over my foundation. I forgot a very important step, which are my lips. I am going to be using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. I don't wear it during the night, like I wear it throughout the day. Now I am moving on to eyebrows. I am going to be using billion-dollar
You
brows.
got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
Now I am going to be applying concealer, and I'm going to be applying it on my lid because I want for my eyeshadow to last. The concealer is by Amazing Cosmetics, and don't let the size fool you because a little bit goes a long way. If you have dark under eyes, you will love it. I don't have dark under eyes, but I like it because like it's super like it illuminates at the same time, and I'm all about that really light under eye. I love how that looks. Not how okay, so I'm gonna use an eyeshadow palette as opposed to like a regular palette, like eyeshadow palette, because I don't know if you guys knew this, but you can mix and match, and the one I'm gonna be using is by Pixie Beauty. I love Pixie Beauty. Okay, so now I am going to use a pigment that I have from MAC. I got this years ago. I don't know if they still, you know, sell it, but if I find it, I'm gonna list it down for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I do for eyeliner. So you are going to need like a business card of some sort. Like the one I'm using is this one by Bath and Body Works. And this is mascara. I'm going to apply generous coats. Like I naturally don't have long lashes and I don't have a lot of lashes. Those are my lovely eyes. Now I'm gonna go on to blush, and I have something so cool to show you guys. Like I've been hooked to this blush because I think it is just amazing, and I know you guys are going to love it. It is also perfect for summer, but it will also be incredible for fall because they have a lot of colors. They are by Pixie Beauty, and they are honestly so beautiful and so convenient. I am going to apply highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm going to be applying is the Afterglow from Urban Decay. To line my lips, I am going to use Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Snitch. Most likely I'm going to pick up my hair in a bun. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but nevertheless, I'm gonna get dressed and we are going to go. PANI is owned by an Argentinian woman, and she is a genius. Just look at how detailed and beautiful this restaurant is.
Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby. Playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting on fire. You got me waiting, my desire.
to visit PANI, this is in Aventura Mall. It's right on the outside of the mall, it's not inside. And these were the empanadas, the shrimp empanadas with, I forgot what the name of the sauce was, but I believe this is a passion fruit sauce, and it was incredible.
Turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, babe.
Hey everyone, so I just had the appetizer and it was absolutely delicious. Sandy loved it, and I didn't record like the actual inside of the appetizer, but it was like an empanada. It wasn't like the whole shrimp, right? It was like they made a, I think it's called a batter out of the empanada.
Shredded.
It was like, yeah, the oh my god, the shrimp was shredded, and then from there we're gonna have to order dessert. Of course, we're gonna have to order dessert. So so far I'm loving the restaurant, the service. They're really nice in here. This was the main dish. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually 90% pescatarian. I don't eat chicken, and I do eat beef, but I'm very picky. And if you guys are going, I would definitely recommend what Sandy ordered because it was so much tastier than the seafood dish I got. For dessert, they give you this huge slice of cake, and they have many options to choose from. I ordered this one because Sandy loves caramel. To end, I had a little bit of coffee, but this restaurant honestly is incredible and so beautiful. There's such a nice vibe inside. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I upload weekly videos covering beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle. Please consider subscribing before you go, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.